I'm Patty Young with ModKid, and I have been sewing for years, and I've always sewn my buttons on by hand. It's very time consuming and tedious, and I just learned today that you can sew buttons on with this little foot attachment. You gotta check this out. And it goes on just like this. And now it is ready. You can take your button in one hand and set it up just like that. I like to hold on to my thread and take my first stitch by hand just to make sure the needle is going to enter that left hole of the button, and there it is. Hold on to your thread and take one stitch to make sure the needle will enter the second hole of your button, and there it is. And once you make sure that stitch width is perfect, it will enter into both holes. Then you can just sew the rest of the button stitches. There we go. So if you're just as impressed as I am, go visit your local Baby Lock retailer and pick one up for yourself.